Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Tasha and I'm going to show you how to make a really quick 5 or 10 minute customized Tumbler project. Before we get started, I again want to say thank you so much. Welcome to my new and improved craft room. I got new lighting, I got a new camera, and I'm very excited to be able to have all the equipment I need and everything to get videos out to you guys every Sunday. So if you enjoy my content, please make sure to like this video and then also subscribe to my channel. I will also link my Instagram down below where I post almost daily on all the different projects, custom orders, all sorts of stuff that I do. I will also post my Etsy shop down below where I have a lot of different stencils on there, SVG files, and then I also do wood journals and wood signs that are all custom. So again, thanks so much. Let's go ahead and get started. So today we are going to make a custom tumbler. We're going to start out with this little tumbler that my daughter fell in love with in the Valentine's Day section at Walmart. It was like $5, so it wasn't too bad. I'm going to go ahead and put her name on it today so it's just personalized and kind of cute and makes her feel really special. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Again, this is only like $5 at Walmart, not too bad, and it's really cute. So I am going to be using a few different materials today. I've got them all stacked here. Aside from the Cricut machine that we're going to be using, which I have a Cricut Explorer Air 2, which I really like. It has worked fantastic for everything I've needed it to do. I do a lot of stickers, all sorts of different craft projects with it. So we're going to be using that guy today. This is going to seem like a weird one, but it will come in handy, I promise. So let's start off with just tools. I use a little brayer to push down my vinyl onto my mat. So we're going to be using this little guy today. I also use a rotary tool and then my rotary mat here to cut out my vinyl and then cut out my transfer tape if I need it. I'm going to be using a weeding tool, which I just got a brand new one because the tip broke off my other one. So I'm really excited to crack this one open. And we are also going to be using one of these scrapers to go ahead and push the vinyl onto the tumbler itself. So those are the simple tools that we're going to be using. Aside from that, we obviously are going to need a Cricut mat of some kind or whatever mat you use with your cutting machine or Cricut. I know there's tons of mats out there. I use the light grip one for pretty much everything. It seems to do really well with everything I need it to do. Aside from glitter iron-on vinyl, for some reason that one I need like really, really grippy stuff and I usually have to tape it down. So for today's project, this guy will do just fine. I am going to be using the Cricut Permanent Premium Vinyl today, and I have a little glittery sheet that we're going to be using here. So we're going to be using that guy. I also will be using the Cricut Strong Grip tape a bit because this is glitter vinyl and it hates regular transfer tape. So I am going to be using the heavy duty stuff here. And I showed you before we have a little linty roller with us. I learned this trick on YouTube. I don't remember who it was from, so I'm so sorry if you invented this trick, but you are a goddess or god, whoever did this. To use or to actually stick your tumbler down and get it to stop from rolling around, you stick your little sticky roller to the side of it and then it doesn't move anywhere. So thank you again to whoever came up with that idea. You are fantastic, and I'm using this with every tumbler that I customize. You're wonderful. So anyways, we will go ahead and get started. I'm going to move you guys over to Cricut Design Space. I actually use Procreate to do the lettering, so we'll get there first. And then we will go ahead and cut this guy out and get that tumbler made. Again, thanks so much, guys.
Alright, so I've got my little name here in Procreate. I went ahead and took the background color out. This helps a lot when you transfer it over to Cricut Design Space. I save it as a PNG file in my iPad and then click Save Image. Then when you open up Cricut Design Space, it will be right there for you. So open up Cricut Design Space here and click on Upload down on the bottom left corner. Click Select from Photo Library, and it should be your most recent photo in there, as you can see there on the bottom. Then when that pops up, since you deleted the background, you don't have to use that Remove tool to take anything out. It's very nice. And then I go ahead and save it as a cut image, and you can save it obviously under whatever name you want to do. My little girl's name is Arden, so I just saved it under Artie. And it should pop right up in your image file here. Alright, and once you've got your image uploaded onto your mat, you can go ahead and move it and shape it and do whatever you'd like so it fits your project and fits the size of your tumbler. And then click Make It and Continue. And I cut this guy out just on regular premium vinyl, and I went with the default settings. thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and make sure to please like this video and then also subscribe to my channel.